Hey man. Hey, you're trying to lose fat, right? Yeah, it's just tough on the weekends. You know you can eat a ton on the weekend and still lose fat? How? With calorie cycling. What the fuck is that? Let's get into it. What's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that little snippet or whatever in the beginning of me cloning myself and having an awkward conversation with myself that took like 2 hours to edit that 10 or 12 second clip. So I don't know if I'm ever gonna do that again. Maybe next time it'll be faster if I do it again. But in today's video, we're gonna go over calorie cycling. This is basically where you're eating a little bit lower calories through the week and then higher calories on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, or just Saturday and Sunday, all depending how you wanna do it. We'll go over both ways. You're going to need like a piece of paper and a pen to follow along with me here so you can find out your calorie cycling numbers. So make sure you pause the video and go grab that for yourself. So we're gonna be going over 2 ways to do it. I'm gonna be using myself as an example. So just plug your numbers in with the numbers that I say for myself. If you guys find this video valuable and helpful, please hit the like button, comment something down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. All right guys, step one is finding your calorie deficit number. This is just the number that it takes for you to lose weight. So what you're gonna do is come up with a goal body weight number. Doesn't have to be that too deep into it. My body weight right now is 165. My goal body weight, I'm gonna choose 155, so 10 pounds lower. I wouldn't recommend going 30 pounds or more. Just choose something moderate, 10 to 25 pound goal body weight under your current weight. So just write down your goal body weight, multiply that by 12, and that's gonna be your calorie deficit number. So mine's 1,860. So just take some time, find yours, and then we're gonna hop into the next part. All right, so now we have your daily calorie deficit number, right? Put a circle around that because that's gonna be one of the main numbers we use throughout this. Now take that number and multiply it by 7. I got 13,020. This is also going to be a major number that we use throughout, so put a circle around that. The reason why we multiply it by 7 is because there's 7 days in a week, right? And your body responds to your weekly calories, your weekly deficit. It doesn't respond to your daily calories. So that's why we do that. So put a circle around those two numbers. I'm going to refer to them as your daily calorie deficit number and your weekly calorie deficit number. And this is going to be super important. If you eat that daily calorie number every day, you can do that. That's called a regular calorie deficit. If you eat that number of calories every day, you're going to lose weight. All right, now into the first method of calorie cycling. This is where you're gonna eat more on Friday and Saturday or Saturday and Sunday. In this example, I'm gonna use Saturday and Sunday because that's what I personally do. This is my personal favorite. So it has a ton of flexibility. You get way more calories for 2 days. So whether you're gonna go out on the weekend or you're ordering a pizza to yourself and you're just gonna binge watch Netflix, this adds a ton of flexibility to your fat loss phase. So let's go over it. So take your daily calorie deficit number and subtract 300 from it. That new number is what you're going to eat Monday through Friday every day. Now to find out how much you can eat on the weekends, take that number and multiply it by 5 because you're eating that amount of calories Monday through Friday, so 5 days, and you're gonna get a new number. Mine's 7,800. Subtract that from your weekly deficit number that we circled from earlier. So 13,020 for me, whatever that is for you, minus 7,800 is 5,220 divided by 2, because 2 is Saturday and Sunday, is 2,610. So that's how many calories I get to eat on Saturday and Sunday, whatever that is for you. So right, I'm eating 1,560 Monday through Friday, but on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I get 2,610. That's crazy. You get so much more flexibility with your fat loss phase for weekends, whether you're going out or you're just eating more, eating pizzas, maybe ice cream or Taco Bell. Taco Bell's my favorite. Whatever that is for you, you get so much more flexibility. And there's a little more flexibility too in the next method, but just a little bit lower calories for those 3 days. Let's hop into that now. All right, now moving on to the plan that has you eating higher calories for 3 days. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, probably. So what you're gonna do is, there's less to do this time since you already did a ton of the calculations, is remember when we took your daily calorie deficit number and subtracted 300 from it? Take that number and multiply it by 4 because you're gonna be eating that many calories Monday through Thursday. And I got 6,240. So now you're gonna subtract that from your weekly deficit number that we circled in the beginning of the video, and you get your number. Mine's 6,780, and you're dividing that by 3 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that's how many calories you're able to eat Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So mine's 2,260. So you still get a lot of calories and a lot more flexibility, just a little bit less than the 2-day plan. So Monday through Thursday, I'd be eating 1,560, and then or Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 2,260. So again, more flexibility, but just a little bit less than the 2-day plan. But if you're someone that likes to chillax or relax a little bit more on the weekend, like the complete Friday, Saturday, and Sunday weekend, then this plan can definitely work for you. And there's a few more options that I'm not going to cover in today's video just because of the length. These are the two main options I wanted to show you guys and teach you how to do for yourselves. But again, you could play around with this, right? Now you know your daily calorie deficit number and you know your weekly calorie deficit number, so you can manipulate those to however it fits your lifestyle, right? You could do alternating days where you're eating high calorie, low calorie, low calorie, or you can do high calorie on training days, low calorie on rest days, or you can do low calorie on training days, high calorie on rest days, right? Whatever fits. You can just manipulate those calories to whatever your preferences, whatever you want to do. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for weekly videos, and comment something down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.